Today we have Samsung A50 speaker microphone not working during the calls and during Messenger, WhatsApp, etc. I have already disassembled the device, remove the antenna, and before that unplug the battery, remove the flex cables, the cameras, because we are going to heat the motherboard. We don't need any pieces to be on it. Now we can put the motherboard into the holder and get ready to remove the microphone. This is the microphone that related to the speaker microphone. In order to get this work, we need to replace it. You can heat or put this heating gun at 450 Celsius degree to remove it. The microphone need a lot of heat to be removed. Anyway, it need a few times to be removed. My heating gun station just can go for 450 Celsius degree, no more. I started heating at 4 Celsius degree. It seems this is not gonna work, so maybe I will raise it to 450 Celsius. Okay, it's over now. I'm going to raise it to 450 Celsius degree to remove it. There is too much heat to the motherboard. Finally, we removed it. Okay, put some antique flux paste and re-solder the pins or the pads with soldering. Make sure they are all okay. We have too much solder to that pin. Okay, now it's good. Now we are ready to put a new one, but before you put the new one, put some heating to the pads. After that, you can put the microphone. The microphone can get damaged easily by the heat, so we need to heat before we put the microphone. It's better to just replace one microphone. Otherwise, you will replace or try this one more time. Okay, done. Clean. After cooling down for a few minutes, then you can assemble and test. If the speaker microphone doesn't work for the first time, it's okay. This means that the pins with the microphone doesn't make connection to the pads, so you can resolder it again, or you can try another microphone. Sometimes the microphone got damaged during the heating, so it's okay. Don't give up. Try another microphone. So I'm going now to put all the pieces and assemble. This work should be already has been solved. If you have any question, just write it down in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. We will see you in the next video. Peace.
Hello? 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 Hello?